Guys, what's up and welcome back. So today I'm very excited to share this amazing product because you guys know I love food. Anything related to food, cooking, I love it. And I also bake a lot of stuff, and I got some really good baking goodies and chocolates and maple syrup that I want to share it with you guys. So this brand is called Miiro, and they make plant-based and sugar-free baking goodies and chocolates. So let's go ahead and check out the products that I received and review them. The product is this peanut butter cups. Look at this. It has 1 gram of net carb per serving and 4 gram of sugar for the whole bag. Can you imagine that? So excited to try this. And then they have these peanut butter chocolate chips for baking, and then they have delicious dark chocolate baking chip, and I love dark chocolate. The next one is white chocolate bar with crispy almond pieces, and it looks so good. And again, these are all plant-based. And lastly is peanut butter chocolate bar. Again, this combination is so good, peanut butter and chocolate. Very excited. So let's go ahead and open this bar first. Ooh. This is how it looks. I'm gonna open it. Let me take a bite. It's very good. I love the slight flavor of peanut butter and chocolate in it. You can eat this bar as it is, or you can use it in your baking as well. I love it. Now let's try the white chocolate bar with crispy almond pieces. Oh my god, look, it's so pretty. It has all the almond pieces here, and this is how it looks. Let's take a bite of this. It's so good. It's actually very good. And now let's open this peanut butter cups. It looks like a normal peanut butter cup that you get in the store. It's good. It's actually very good. I love using peanut butter cups when I make cupcake and I put them in the middle. It comes out so good like that. And for the chocolate chips, I'm gonna make a pancake and check out these chocolate chips. So let's go ahead and make some pancakes. I also received their maple syrup. Looks so good. This is also plant-based, and it has 2 grams sugar per serving and 2 grams carbs per serving. So I'm gonna use this in my pancake. Very excited. So let's go ahead and make my pancakes. It is so good. You will not know any difference from the normal chocolate chips to these and the maple syrup. So you guys should definitely try this brand out, and I have a coupon code in the description, so do check that out to grab these delicious goodies. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comment section if you get this and how did you like them. Doesn't matter if you guys are vegan, plant-based or not, you guys should definitely check them out and barely taste the difference, and they're so good. So I hope you guys like them and do try them.